Want to use FastestVPN for some apps, but keep others running smoothly? Split tunneling is your solution. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up FastestVPN split tunneling so you can route only the apps you want through the VPN while keeping your local apps on your regular internet connection. By the end of this video, you'll know how to understand what split tunneling is and why it's useful, access FastestVPN split tunneling settings, exclude apps from the VPN, test that split tunneling is working correctly, and troubleshoot and optimize split tunneling for smooth use. Before we dive in, let's break down split tunneling in simple terms. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps go through the VPN and which stay on your normal connection. Why it's useful: keep sensitive local apps like banking or printers off the VPN, reduce bandwidth usage for streaming apps, and customize your VPN for better performance. Go ahead and click the link in the description below and log into your FastestVPN account. Open the FastestVPN app and find the split tunneling settings. Open your FastestVPN app on your computer or mobile device, navigate to settings and find split tunneling. You'll see two main options: route only selected apps through VPN or exclude selected apps from VPN. Choose the exclude apps from VPN option and add the apps you want to keep on your normal connection. For example, your banking app or local streaming service. Save your settings to make them active. Now that you've excluded your apps, it's time to make sure that your split tunneling is working correctly. Open an app you excluded from the VPN and confirm it's using your normal internet connection. Next, open an app that is routed through the VPN and verify it's using FastestVPN. Optionally, you can use an IP checking website to confirm which apps are routing through the VPN. If an app isn't routing correctly, double check it is in the excluded or VPN list as intended. Restart the FastestVPN app or the device if settings don't apply immediately. Even though setup is simple, a few tweaks make it smooth and reliable. Restart FastestVPN if changes don't take effect. Remove and re-add apps if an app isn't behaving correctly. Keep FastestVPN updated for the latest improvements. You can also adjust advanced network settings for performance if needed. Today you learned what split tunneling is and why it's useful, how to access FastestVPN split tunneling settings, how to exclude apps from the VPN, how to test your apps to make sure they're routing correctly, and how to troubleshoot and optimize for smooth performance. The big takeaway is this: FastestVPN split tunneling gives you full control over your apps. You decide what uses the VPN and what stays local, keeping everything running smoothly and securely. If you want to get started with FastestVPN split tunneling, click the link in the description below. This link will give you access to FastestVPN split tunneling. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. And if this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to VPN Nerds, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.